Merry Christmas, you filthy animal.
Good morning, friends, and welcome back to another vlog. It's Thursday morning and it's currently 6:30 a.m. and I'm just about to go on a run. I haven't been on a run in a very long time. I kind of just focused on the gym instead of going for runs. Running's not my favorite, but it makes me feel really good, and especially mentally, it just like gives me a lot of time to just gather my thoughts, get ready for the day ahead. I don't know if I'm going to be able to run what I used to, but I'm going to try. I don't know. But I remember months ago when I bought my AirPods, I was like, they're going to be so good for running, and then I haven't gone on a run with them yet. So I'm very excited to run with no cord. It's going to be very exciting. So I'm going to go for a run. I'll chat to you later.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away.
Welcome to my bathroom. I just showered and I thought that I would do a face mask while I edited my vlog because it just sounded like a great idea. And you guys would have seen in yesterday's vlog in my Frank Body package, there's an anti-drama face mask and I'm very excited. After cleansing and before moisturizing, use clean hands to apply to your face and neck, avoiding your eye area. Leave me for 15 minutes. Rinse and chill. I'm not really a face mask person. Like, this is the only face mask that I own. It's not that I don't like them. It's just that I forget to use them and I'm too lazy to wash it off. It's just a whole thing. It's like clay. Is that enough? Okay, I'm gonna set a timer on my phone for 15 minutes, but in that time, I really need to get my editing done.
15 minutes later.
I don't even know if you can tell that I have it on my face. I put my hair up and then I'm gonna wash it off and then I'm gonna moisturize. So then moisturize and I'm very excited. I'm gonna moisturize with the Everyday Face Moisturizer. I love that so much. It's very light, which is exactly what I need because I'm so oily. I don't need a heavy moisturizer. Yay, that's so good. And I'm also just gonna spray the anti-angry face mist because I need to de-stress. I'm gonna get back to editing.
Save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special.
It's currently 8:30 and I have half an hour until I need to leave for work. So I'm just finishing off my makeup, but I just thought I would chat to you. After my run, I spent just a little bit of time putting my washing away and cleaning up my room. I did a quick little vacuum of the house because tonight the squad house is having a cute little Christmas dinner together and I'm so excited. We're all going to be away with our families on Christmas, so we thought that tonight we would cook some of our favorite meals and eat some yummy food, and we are all home at the same time. I sound so stupid, but I love my housemates so much. They're dead set my favorite people and I'm just so excited to have dinner with them. You'd think that 4 friends who live together would see each other all the time, but I feel like I don't see them as much as I want to. If I come home and one of them's out, I'm genuinely like mad. I'm like, I want to hang out with you, why aren't you here? So I'm very excited that we've all made plans to stay home tonight and have dinner together. We're gonna make chicken nuggets, a salad, some mashed potato, and then we're gonna have a pavlova and some cupcakes. And I'm so excited. That's our menu. So I have work from 9 until 2, which is actually just the dream. I'm so excited to just work a 5-hour shift. And then once I've finished work, I'm gonna go grocery shopping. I need to do my weekly grocery shop, but I also need to buy food for our dinner tonight because I think I'm making the chicken nuggets and the salad. I think I need to pick up that. I might pick up some eggnog as well just to stay in the Christmas spirit. I suck at doing my eyebrows so much, and also look how small my eyebrow pencil is. Really need to get on that. I'm gonna finish getting ready and then I'll update you later.
She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry. I go down as G.O.D. Yeah, wait. I go hard. This do say what like boo babe tastes like poop, but I heard he makes you happy, so that's fine. Still, I'm just keeping it real. Still looking at your Instagram and I'll be creeping the lip. Drinks beer, but has a 6-pack. I'm kinda jealous. He wears sunglasses indoors in winter at night time, and every time a rap song comes on, he makes a gun sign, says shoot. Boy, damn like top the
It's almost 3:30 and I just got home from work, but our house's power is actually off and every house on our street's power is off. We don't know what happened, but Skye rang Energex and they said it was a whole street thing and that they're going to try fix it, but it's off, which means our fridge is off, our freezer is off, and we're planning to have Christmas dinner together tonight. So I don't want to go out too early and buy all of my groceries because I can't put them in the fridge, which means they're probably going to go bad. And because we have no power, I can't turn my fan on, so it is really hot in this house. So I think my plan of attack is I'm going to take my laptop, take my Bible, and take my planner down to Zarafa's. I haven't been to Zarafa's and edited in a while, and I didn't get a chance to read my Bible this morning, so I'm going to take all of that down to Zarafa's and do that until a bit later on, until I can go grocery shopping and buy all the food that I need for dinner tonight. Why am I puffed speaking right now? That's my plan of attack. I'm going to head down there now. Very excited. I finished up at Zarafa's, was really productive. Since I'm daily vlogging, I don't really have time to go out of my house, go and sit and edit for hours. I just kind of have to be snappy and like get it done as quick as I can. So it was really nice to go in, and I forgot how productive I was as soon as I walked in those doors. It's so weird, but whatever works. Our power has turned back on, which is very exciting, which means we have gas and like our oven will work, which is very ideal. I'm gonna go to Coles and pick up everything. I don't know what I need for like my weekly grocery shop, so I'm just gonna wing it and hope for the best. Wish me luck. And I'm trying to look for slivered almonds for my salad. Can't find them. But I found chocolate covered pretzels and they're Rachel's favorite, and she's been so sad that they haven't been in Coles for ages. So I'm gonna get her a big bag of those. But I can't find my almonds. But I'm excited about pretzels. Basically everything I got was for the salad we're having for dinner. I decided on cabbage salad, so I got some shallots. I obviously got cabbage. I got some noodles. I got some slivered almonds. This also has pine nuts in it, but it'll do. And then I had to buy like everything in full size because I didn't have any small sizes. So I got some peanut oil, I got some white vinegar, and I got some sesame oil. And then for myself, I just got some cheese, some eggnog, obviously, some frozen mango and pineapple. Mango, pineapple, banana.
Love, is it me you're looking for?
I can see it in your eyes.
Mango, pineapple, banana.
And then just some chicken. And that's all. Rachel, can you come here, please? I don't like presents. They were special. And they were there. Thank you so much. I'm so thankful. I saw them and I was like, oh my goodness. This is what I wanted for Christmas. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas. We also received a package today from the Authentically Amy, and I don't know why. Yeah, actually, I'm mad, but I'm gonna open it. Did she make us cookies? Did she throw that for us? Did she send us cookies from Melbourne? That is the nicest thing. That's like the most thoughtful thing you could do. Just thought I'd send you a little bit of me to join you for Christmas in Las Vegas. These cookies are called Santi cookies, and is a New Zealand family recipe we make every Christmas. Hope you enjoy them as much as I do. They're also a little thank you for being the best eggs and gracious hosts while I was in Brizzy. Thank you for organising the surprise getaway. I miss you both so much, and I hope I can give you massive hugs again soon. Sending your best wishes to your family, friends, and squad during the holiday season. Happy birthday, Jesus. Love, your egg, Authentically Amy. Thanks, Amy. Yeah, thank you. Oh my goodness, what do you mean? Can you feed it? Whoa. Whoa. That works so well. She did. Oh, yum. Yum. When we come to Melbourne, she can teach us how to make them. Yeah. Is she Instagram approved as well? Thanks, Egg. Thanks, Amy.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to set me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to set me from tears, I'll give it to someone special.
For everyone wanting more Izzy in my vlogs, here she is with a mouth full of food. She's disgusting. Izzy! I have to censor that out. I got some sweet potato for our entree. Our potatoes are cooking, and we have potty pies and sausage rolls in the oven. Izzy, why aren't you wearing your Santa shirt?
I thought I haven't put on yet. Georgia, you drizzle.
Oh yeah. This is my dressing. It looks like glitter.
These are my Crocs.
These are my sandals.
What are those?
They're called my sandals.
And now I'm just all of it. It's a lot. I don't know. This is your. I've never made this. I've never eaten this. Oh, stressed. Yeah, a little bit.
That was like satisfying. Let's do ASMR mukbang. I'm a bit of a hustle.
That's up on my leg.
What do hedgehogs have for lunch? Pickled onions. 1, 2, 3. Dang it. Dang it.
What do you call a horse in his pajamas?
Horseshoe pajamas.
A zebra.
These are
Why do cows lie down in the rain? To keep each other dry.
Look at a swim.
Are you lying?
No, I'm not.
Sweetest McGeetest.
Absolute noob! Is you can lick that cream up. We finished up having dinner, but I literally feel so sick from eating so much yummy food. It was so yum, but like I have a sugar headache from pavlova. But I'm about to go to sleep, so I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling. Ring, 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 I'm on